kitty pot in the clouds.
Hello Hippos, good morning! What are we going to do today? What do you think? Today we are going to discover the science of sound. Sounds so fascinating. Okay, let me tell you what do we need. We need a glass of water, don't forget to fill it with the water, a straw and scissors. Okay? Now ask an adult to help and bring all the materials from your kids' spot bag, and I'm waiting for you just right here. Okay, are you already here? Well done. First of all, take your straw and bring an adult to help you and cut your straw in the middle. Just right here. But don't overdo it. Like this. Okay, then take a glass of water. To create the sound, we need to make a vibration, okay? Take your straw and start blowing, okay? Just submerge it inside, like this, and move it around and blow. And now we can sing our favorite song. Let's say One Little Finger. Yay! I hope that you love this activity. Don't forget to share your pictures and videos, and see you next time.